Okay, in this video we're going to be talking about WordPress and buying a domain and then setting it up on a hosting site. This is going to be a general what I would do. It's not what you need to do as far as the companies I use, but this just give you an example of how I do it and what it looks like when I do it. So if this video interests you, I've got other videos about WordPress and making money online using WordPress. Stay tuned for more details about that towards the end of the video. Let's move into buying a domain on Namecheap, today's video. Okay, so there's going to be a couple basic things you need to do before you buy a domain. One, as I would say, just put, if you have a name that you're looking at buying, just put the name in as it is into Google. If you get a bunch of gobbledygook, which is what this is, stuff that doesn't really totally relate, then you know that that's not a name that someone used already for a website. Domain is available in Namecheap. That's a good sign. Another thing is, I'll leave a link. There's United States Patent and Trademark Office. You can go here to trademarks, searching trademarks, and put in the name of what you're trying to see if someone has a trademark on it. Now, sometimes it'll be obvious that don't, but you're always best to make sure before you purchase the name and then find out someone's going to sue you or they're upset with you for using the name. That's the thing there. Another thing is there's a lot of places you can buy domain names. Put in where to buy a domain name. You got all your big players like GoDaddy. They've got people have articles about the 10 best places, to buy domains online. These are the most popular according to them. Most hosting services sell, Bluehost, HostGator, they sell domains on their site as well. Wix, GoDaddy. So these are names of places. So if you're looking to buy a domain, that's also a place you could do it. I use Namecheap. I've used them for several years now. I have had great service with them. And I went to here, I signed in, went to domain search, I put in a name that I thought might end. It's here, it's available, so I'm going to purchase this. It's be called nsugars.com. I found a product on ClickBank, and since I have had some health issues with blood sugar problems, and it's a rising problem here in the United States, and I'm sure in other parts of the world, that diabetes 1, diabetes 2, that kind of thing. There's several products available. I went to ClickBank to find some products. So I'm thinking of just having a site that pays attention to just promoting some of these products here. What we're going to do is we're going to purchase this from Namecheap. And all you do is add this to your cart, go to your checkout. And one more thing I forgot to mention is you want a domain name that doesn't close you in as far as options down the road. This leaves me wide open to be able to do a lot of things with the site. It has to do with diabetes, effects of diabetes, different types of products. If you had like a NSugars 2022 as a domain name, it would limit you. If you have best of NSugars, that would limit you to only the best. Just a general term, leave it wide open so you have room that you can grow it and not be trapped, I guess, if you will, in a name through your domain name. Be able to leave it wide open to expand and grow your business with a domain name. Okay, so I purchased nsugars.com. This right here, domain right here. And Honey did save me a couple dollars. So the next thing I want to do is I'll go to manage this, and we'll click on that. I'll just show you around a little bit here. And what there's going to be is you're going to have to set up your DNS for your hosting. But we'll do that on the next video. We'll actually show you how to set up your hosting and set up the domain on the hosting. And after that, we'll do a video on how to set up the actual WordPress. So this is a process. Another short video coming up about how to set up the hosting on my hosting site. So that's it for this video. I hope you got some value from this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I publish another video. We're about WordPress, working better with WordPress to make money, and working to make money through affiliate marketing. That's Digital High Road. George signing out.